motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma dive head first and I roll with you. Never leave a man behind. So much likely you coming with me. I tell them cherish your loved ones while there's still time given. Can't trust anybody in this world we live in. See, I let my bitch have it. If she kiss me, I'll dismiss her. They used to tell me don't point if you ain't by pulling triggers. I say you couldn't get like me if we were identical. See, I feel like this time when me and shine these niggas, my flow is perfected like nuclear missiles. See, it is what it be. Your ass should have paid attention. Depended on your boss to get you out that pickle. See, when I was 9, I lived the life of a criminal. By the time I became a man, I was already a killer. They looking back on find anything unless I permit it. Most likely they hide it cause they know who's on my shit list. See, you living on wishes like you want a nigga to fall. Man enough to speak on, but ain't man enough to lay them down. Wide open, defenseless, like bang bang. Yeah, your people want revenge, but my people will want the same thing. I'm riding for my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die head first and if I would've with you. Never leave a man behind. Yeah, never leave a man behind. Yeah. Blood thicker than water. Remember that. Fuck them, fuck you, who are you to judge me? This ain't a game, ain't nothing changed except this discussion. Tell a fiend to come talk to me, and if they looking for that too, take a walk with me. A favor is a favor at your request it'll be, cause I'm the type to call you on your loyalty. My flow's just starting, buckle your seat. My flow can cause a scene. The only thing on your mind is starting to leak. Pop this into being ready for verse 3. I got the black sold up, ain't nothing popping but me. Yeah, I've come to collect what rightful belongs to me. Yeah, majority of these bitches is cowards. Like, he only talk shit when they boys around them. But truth is they scared to leave the porch without them. See, no matter how you come, remember it's me, your asses. Yeah, I'ma ride for my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die here first and I roll with you. Never leave a man behind. Never leave a man behind. Yeah, the sky ain't the limit. Never leave a man behind. So it's likely you coming with me. And you don't wanna fuck with a soldier. I come correct or I'm piercing through your organs. Bust up in your shit and shoot everyone who was pulling for you. And you don't wanna fight with a soldier. I come correct or I'm piercing a couple organs. Fuck around and get stuffed and placed in the middle of all my trophies. That's fucked up.